Hey everyone, so I had a person leave a really nasty comment saying that the shelves were a joke and that I was just trying to promote a product that's really junk. I, of course, removed it and blocked them. They went on to say, because I tried to engage with them at first, and they went on to say that I don't even use them, that I'm just trying to pocket money or, whatever the trolls like to keep going on about. So, wanted to do this video and show you what I actually do with them. So this is one of the shelves. As you can see, I have two computers up here, and these are not your typical standard desktop computers. These are two gaming computers, so they're much bigger and bulkier than others. So we have two on the top. We got our printer right there. We got 4 hard drives in there, some wires there, printer down there. All right, let's take a look at my other one. So my other one holds just knickknacks, random stuff. As you guys can see, holds some of my collectibles and whatnot. So let's go take a look at my other one that we have in our basement. All right, so as you guys can see as we're walking down here, this is another one. So this one holds my paint cans and just miscellaneous stuff. And yeah, one thing a lot of people like to assume, when I do a product review, I'm an honest person. I'm going to tell you my honest opinion at the time that I make the video. Um, and if something's really, really bad, I will do an updated video. But yeah, I love these shelves, and especially when they go on for sale for like 30 bucks, they're a lot, definitely well worth it. Even at 50, it's well worth it. So it's just my thoughts and opinions. Thought I would get on here and show I actually use what I review, and I try and be as honest as I possibly can be. Even though sometimes some companies, they try and tell me that, when I review a product for a company, they say, oh, you gotta say it's a 9 out of 10. I will never, ever, ever give a rating other than what I personally think. So there's a lot of companies that get mad when I do my honest review, but hey, that's the price I'll pay to be honest.